Welcome to Home Squad Reviews. I installed the Ring Doorbell 4 earlier this year, and I can say that it has become that device you never knew you needed until you start using it. In this video, as the title mentioned, I'll be looking at 10 features that makes the Ring Doorbell a must-have device. Let's get started. Rich notification is a feature that requires subscription, but when enabled, it sends an image along with the notification so that you don't have to open the app to check to see who is at your front door. To enable this feature, click the menu in the top left corner, then click Devices, click Front Door, click Device Settings, click Notification Settings, then click the Rich Notifications. The motion setting feature allows you to specify an area within which the Ring Doorbell will monitor motion. You can set this up by clicking motion settings, then click edit zones to adjust the area you want monitored. You're also able to define package zones so that you can receive notifications when a package is delivered. Disclaimer, I've never been able to get this to work. I find that the standard people detection feature does a great job to let you know when someone is at the front door. The privacy zone feature allows you to block out areas that you don't want to capture on your Ring Doorbell. An example of this is your neighbor's house. To define a privacy zone, go to Device Settings, then Privacy Settings, then click on Privacy Zones, then specify the area. Also, make sure that you don't specify the privacy zone directly in front of the Ring, because you run the risk of blocking the people that you probably want to capture. The Smart Response feature allows you to select a predefined message, specify a delay time, and it also allows your visitor to leave a message for you.
Answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
This is a test. I want to see how clear the message sounds. Let's go to Event History, and I'm going to search for Quick Replies, and then click it.
Can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
This is a test. I want to see how clear the message sounds. You can enable Smart Response by clicking the Smart Response option and clicking the switch under the Quick Replies, set response time, and select one of the predefined quick reply messages. The live view feature allows you to stream real time to the Ring mobile app as well as ring.com without having to subscribe to the Ring Protect plan. To do this, open the app. The dashboard would load by default. Click the image under front door. This screen allows you to also be able to listen, talk, as well as end the live view. Ring accessories is not necessarily a feature, but the ecosystem allows for additional Ring products to be integrated to allow for automation. Mode setting is an easy way to control your Ring cameras. When enabled, you will see it on your dashboard. To enable, click on Mode Settings, click Use Default Mode Settings, continue. Now we're going to navigate to the dashboard, and you will see it at the top of the screen. You would be able to select Disarm to disarm all cameras on the inside as well as outside. Home to disarm all cameras on the inside only. And Away, which will enable all cameras. The Motion Snooze feature allows you to turn off your Ring notification for a defined period. Your Ring will still be recording, however, no notifications will be sent to your phone. This can be helpful, I guess, like when you're having a party or if you have workers going in and out of your property and you don't want to receive notifications during that period. To enable this feature, click Motion Snooze option, adjust the snooze duration, and click Start Snooze to start snoozing. Neighbors is a social space where people in your community who owns a Ring is able to share images, video, as well as information about your community. You see people posting about theft or lost or found cats and dogs, as well as you can post anything related to the community that you would like to know about. A very useful feature. Because the Ring Doorbell is an Amazon product, you're able to seamlessly integrate the Ring with Alexa by adding the Ring as a skill in the Alexa mobile app, as well as you'll be able to direct your Ring devices with voice command and watch live stream on your Echo Show as well as your Fire Stick. Guys, I leave a video here that I think you'd like. Smash that like button if you found this video to be helpful. Smash that subscribe button if you'd like to see more home related products being reviewed and installed. Peace.